Hey guys, so I did a really amazing tutorial earlier today on how to make a chocolate thick shake. Now I've got the cooking bug, so now I'm going to show you how to make tacos. Thank you Old El Paso for making life easy. First thing you need to do is grab a beer. Cooking's thirsty work, don't forget to recycle. Next, you need to go to that thing and get your key ingredients out. Red tomatoes, lettuce, because you need green veg in your diet, and minced. The grass-fed stuff is the best because cows that eat grass are way better than cows that eat. Next. Once you have your fry pan and stuff on the stove top, have a sweet because you burned it. Next up, thank you Old El Paso. Now we need to open up the jumbo box. Haha! Tacos just as well. For some reason these are not microwave oven proof. Sucks. We have to preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade as opposed to middle grade because centigrade's way better. And bake 160. Honestly, this cooking thing is a breeze. Also have some powdered mix stuff, just like Christmas. Salsa topping. There was no avocados on sale at the supermarket today. Well, they were on sale. They were like $3.50 for each avocado, but not hard as rocks. If you want to eat a rock, I'll go and lick the street. Important safety tip, it is actually better to do that, the oil thing, before you light the flame. Next, we're going to do some chopping. In the event of a medical emergency, should you cut off a digit, 000 here in Australia and 911 over in America. Oh shit. Once again, thirsty work. Don't forget the garlic. Now I know that tacos don't necessarily call for a garlic ingredient. I know the box doesn't say to put any garlic in there, but you know what? We have a really bad vampire problem here, so go the garlic. My God! Now we add all this lovely stuff. It's been a long time since I've had a few beers. Look at that. Lovely, lovely garlic. Grab your favourite wooden utensil. Now we want to kind of get this all ground up nicely because ground onion is better than raw onion. Now, if you want to save yourself some washing up, you can use your dirty knife again, you know. You can do this at home. Just be careful. Just like Mama used to make. Don't know what that means. It's about time to put the mince in. Make sure that comes off because you know what? It tastes terrible. Trust me. Break it down. Cheers. It's also probably a good time to clean your fresh produce because you never know who's been licking it at the supermarket. Whoa, here's the green. I find this the quickest and easiest way to do it. Drain, you little suckers. Next up, prepare the veg. Done. Actually, you want to break off some nice leaves because just cause. You shut up. There's more to this. Grab the thing. Into the bowl. So much fun. Beans. 3/4 cup. When you put the beans in, I'm putting them in now. Let it drain for a while. Now, we want to be opening this. Cooking is easy. So that says it's got to simmer for 5 minutes. Hey Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes. So cool. Clean up the mess. Clean kitchen is a happy kitchen and a happy fiance. This is also a pretty good opportunity to do the dishes. Once the dishes are done, have another beer and probably take this opportunity to go to the toilet. I'll be back. It's probably at this stage that you realise that you cleaned your knife and you still need it. No lick in the thing, especially after cutting plastic. Put it into the... Oh, that's what I get for trying to be educational. Drop crumbs all over the floor. It's like I wasn't even here. Ah, son of a bitch, I'm out. Now your corn chips aren't gonna last very long sitting on the bench for ultimate freshness. Next, tomato and lettuce. Now it's time to make these things just magically cut themselves. Ta-da! Magic. This guy's still going too. Sizzling nicely. And these guys have got 2 minutes. 2 minutes? All I do is wait. Please use them up a bit. We'll take the mince. Oh, the handle's really hot. To the sink with you. So we have our mince, tomatoes, lettuce, and our corn chips. This is essential. Seeing as we're missing the avocados tonight because they're rocks, sour cream. We need this. Look at that son of a bitch. There's nothing more sad in life than a cracked taco shell. I'm going to take some liberty with the filming here. It's going to be basically impossible for me to make my tacos while holding this because that thing doesn't quite have the angle, and I don't really want to show off my fat guts on the YouTubes. Which one? That's okay. I'll turn it into a platter. Another essential ingredient. Seems to have little zip tie things in there so you can reseal them. I can never find them. Hallelujah. Look how thick these things are. Do you need to go to university for this? Right, next. Sour cream. I was going to lick that, thought that was a bit sour. Just realised I've got a dilemma. I've got this salsa that came in the box. I also have that. What do I use first? Gotta go to the jar. Save that for a rainy day because there's nothing like eating raw salsa on a rainy day. Tomatoes. Oh, don't you crack. Because I'm a messy eater as it is, so having a cracked taco shell, this is asking for trouble. I'm going to be wearing this all over my really cool Superman shirt. Yeah, boy. Almost had a little disaster. I just moved some of the dishes out of the way so that you can get my beautiful face on camera. And I forgot that my tacos were actually landing on one of the bowls. One fell this way, and the other three fell that way. But the one that fell this way, let's just say I need the vacuum cleaner again. That was almost embarrassing. Ah, clean one. Medium strength, not mild, because mild is for wussies. Okay, oh, making a mess. I have got lots of leftovers. Lettuce onto your tacos. I don't know what I'm going to do with these, I mean, seriously? And voila, tacos a la carte. I'd just like to take this opportunity to thank Old El Paso for making tonight's dinner possible. Okay guys, on a serious note, don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, throw a comment. If you've got any secret recipes that you want to share with the world, leave them down below. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
What?